Fuuto Tantei Episode 3 Discussion. Crunchyroll subtitles going the extra mile by changing the colors to correspond to the different modes. Can't believe they really played the original opening song, Chills. They expanded to make Cyclone Joker more viable in maneuvering and Cyclone sucking and rode for that sweet Joker extreme. Oh hell to the motherfucking yeah, WBX predecessor WGXW goes next. It has the bass accessory of WBX and there goes a new ship boys, also the maximum drive. Still loved it like it never left. Tokim is breathtaking. That kiss. With Tokim sticking around, I wonder if the relationship will actually go somewhere or if we're just in for a season of teasing. I really dig the design for the villain at the end.